Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the notification sound issue after you have an iOS 17 update. If you're having the issues that you don't have a notification sounds, even if your iPhone is in ring mode, then follow the steps to fix that issue. First, open Settings. Then click Notifications. In here, navigate to the app that you're having problems with and then open it. For example, the Instagram app, open it. Now make sure that the Allow Notifications is enabled in order for you to receive notifications when you have one. If the problem persists, then try to open the app that you're having an issue and then turn off the quiet mode notification setting of that app. Some applications have these settings, so you need to simply find and disable it. Next is you need to turn off the Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone. Having this turn on prevents and blocks the notifications, including the sound that you receive, to not bother you. Open your control center and turn off the Do Not Disturb icon or the crescent moon icon. If the issue persists, then all you have to do is to restart your iPhone and see if in that way the issue can be fixed. Make sure that you update your iOS to the latest version, because sometimes this issue is caused by a bug or glitches, and by updating, it will naturally resolve that issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.